Hello everyone. Today we're back to talk about palm oil production. In our last video, we explained how a palm oil press machine boosts efficiency and crude oil yield. But relying only on a palm oil press machine means manual work for steps like palm fruit sterilizing, threshing, digesting, and oil clarification. Many of you asked, are there small palm oil production machines to automate these steps? Absolutely. Let's dive in. 1. Semi-automatic palm fruit threshing machine. Manual palm fruit threshing is slow and labor-intensive. Our semi-automatic palm fruit threshing machine solves this. Workers place palm fruit bunches into the palm fruit threshing machine and secure them. A rotating shaft knocks off the palm fruits, which roll down a slope for easy collection. Saves time and effort. Perfect for small-scale palm oil production operations. 2. Vibrating screen for palm oil clarification. After pressing, crude palm oil needs cleaning. Our 3-layer vibrating screen helps. Fine mesh filters out large impurities like sand, fibers, and palm fruit residue. Filtered waste can be collected and repressed for extra palm oil. The cleaned oil flows out from the bottom layer, ready for further refining. 3. Plate and frame filter for pure palm oil. For even cleaner palm oil, use a plate and frame filter. Layers of filter cloth trap tiny impurities, letting pure palm oil flow through. Plate and frame filters need regular cleaning, but pairing it with the vibrating screen reduces maintenance frequency. Without the vibrating screen, expect more frequent cloth changes. Choose based on your needs. Why invest in these palm oil production machines? Low cost, high returns. Boost efficiency and output with minimal investment. Double your profits. Replace manual steps with semi-automated tools. That's it for today. Next time, we'll explore a skid-mounted palm oil production line, no installation hassle. Drop your questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to follow for more insights. See you next time. Bye.